Okay, we're going to be making a very quick video here. This is a Subaru Outback 2005, and what we thought was going to be a very simple job has turned out to be
a bigger job.
A much bigger job, unfortunately. And so hopefully this will help someone else who's encountered this. So this car had a vibration when going at higher speeds. And it seemed to be coming from the rear driver's side. So we ordered a CV axle, and the CV axle, the first one we ordered, which was aftermarket, did not fit. It actually looked different to the original as well, and it would not go in. So we ordered a second aftermarket one, same problem. And then we finally decided to just get a used one, which was OEM off eBay, and that one does go in, but not all the way. Our thing that was preventing it was a little pin on the end, and unfortunately that pin, as long as it's on the CV axle, you can't get it back inside the differential. So we now have this problem where we can't just put the CV axle in this little hole here where it's supposed to go unless the pin is already in there, and it's the only way the CV axle will go back in.
Yep.
So what do you want to add to it, Eddie?
Well, at this point we have to drop the differential, because I try to put the pin back in there, or the retaining clip, or the friction ring, or the circlip, whatever you want to call it. It goes on the end of the CV axle. It goes right in this groove right here. But the thing is, it wouldn't go inside the differential. So we tried to put the circlip or the retainer ring or the friction ring back into the differential. Well, it fell into the differential when I tried. It was really hard to try to get it in there. So now I got to drop the differential. I would like to just get the cover off if I could and get the clip out, get this cover off. But as you can see, everything's in the way. So differential has to drop down. And I probably got to pop this CV axle off also, so that this differential can come down. I think I got to unhook. I might have to unhook the drive shaft there, and hopefully I can just hit this back, and maybe the differential will go back. I don't know, but we'll find out. Hopefully I don't have to take the CV axle out. But anyways, it's a lot going on.
Yep. Okay, well, hopefully this will... So basically, the way to solve this is you just don't take the pin out. Our problem was
leave the retainer clip in the differential.
Do not take it out. We took it out because we thought, we got a new one coming with the part.
So the ones we ordered on Amazon, the remans, the CV axles, they came with the rings, with the circlips on the CV axle. But there was already one in the differential.
And we should have just left it there in hindsight. We should not have taken it out. And so now this is probably about our third or fourth day of just, maybe longer. It's been probably about 5 or 6 days really, where we're just kind of going from one problem to another with this. So in hindsight, I would say just leave the freaking vibrating rear end on the car. But we can't really do that. We do have to fix it. It's a little bit too much, but don't take the pin out of the diff. So anyway, hope that helps. Don't make this mistake yourselves. Otherwise, it's a world of pain.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
It's true.